What's up, family? Welcome back to Codename the Wolfman. I'm the Wolfman, and today we're just going to talk about a few updates in the market. But first off, let me give a shout out to the herd, to my Elephant Money family. These guys have been continually making gains week after week and just showing why they outperform every token in the crypto market at this point. You guys do your homework, do your own research on Elephant Money, and go ahead and check that thing out because they really don't give you a reason to be upset in crypto, especially right now in the bear market. Even though some projects may lose, this thing has continually made gains every single week. So when I check my wallet, I don't feel bad about it because I know I can count on Elephant Money and I can count on the herd. So shouts out to you guys. Thank you so much for sharing my content and continuing to support the content. And thank you again from the Wolfman here. Now, the other thing I want to talk about just this week in crypto, everything is still seems to be about XRP. From last week, the week before, right now, all the chatter is surrounding XRP, at least in my news feeds. You guys leave a comment on the video or come follow me on Twitter. If you know somebody I should follow, I'm not following already, leave me a message. I definitely appreciate all the love, all of the all of the support that you've been giving. But XRP just seems to have been dominating the news with everything that's going on, the partnerships they're having with different banks, just everything they're doing just seems to be making news right now, and it seems to be tightly wound as a project. And I tell you, it's gotten so far that even today or the last couple of days, I keep seeing them talking about BlackRock's switching focus from Bitcoin to XRP, acquiring more XRP. And if you don't know who BlackRock is, do your homework, folks. Do your research. BlackRock pretty much owns the world, and anything they touch, people are going to believe that it's going to it's going to be profitable. It's going to be something that you want to get, because that's why everybody's looking at Bitcoin right now, not to mention that Bitcoin is the granddaddy of crypto, as we already know. So no need for introduction for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is Bitcoin, but at the same time, the fact that BlackRock is looking to get an ETF on Bitcoin brings that much more buzz. So there's now buzz talking about BlackRock also switching focus to get with XRP. Now, we really don't know how much truth there is to that, but this thing is so tightly wound with all this different news, all these different partnerships, and it's going around globally, not just in the United States. All this stuff going on with XRP, it seems so tightly wound that once it happens, the train will already have left the station. There won't be time to say, oh my goodness, oh, it's on the news. Let me go ahead and let me get some now. I know I've been hearing about it. Once it reaches the mainstream, once it's on the news and it takes off, the train will have left the station. There won't be any time to do anything. So if you need to do anything, I'm going to do it now, because this is my journey into crypto. I'm not authorized to give you financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor, but I can tell you right now, all of the chatter I'm seeing is surrounding XRP, like almost everything. And I can even scroll here. Here's some more from my Nike project, .swoosh. Definitely check them out. Here's some more information about XRP's new settlement. I mean, everything I'm seeing is about XRP. And of course, shouts out to the herd. Look at this chart right here. Like, all you got to do is look at this and see the gains that Elephant's been making. Elephant makes gains daily, basically, and week after week. The percentages are going up week after week, week after week. So again, shouts out to the herd. That's just family, and they support me, so I support them as well. But shouts out to them for doing their thing here. Just wanted to see if we see any other news XRP related. Now, some of this is because, these are XRP channels. These are XRP people that love XRP. They're part of the XRP army. So that's another reason why this news is going to be here. But I try to follow a variety of people here on Twitter. Saying Ripple, they could burn all the XRP that's in escrow currently. Which some of that could have to do with the market cap, and it's keeping the price low, because it seems like every week they release more of the tokens out of escrow. So any room for growth is kind of keeping it at a happy medium, because they're releasing it from escrow in small amounts, and is what's kind of happening here. So just wanted to give everybody a quick market update. It's Friday. We had a great week in crypto. We're going to continue to have great weeks and continue to report to everybody. And again, thank you for everyone who has supported the channel. Any new people here, thank you for being here and watching. I'm the Wolfman. Continue to follow, like, share, tell a friend to tell a friend. Wolfman out.